Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you are obviously running a Shopify store and want to receive payouts internationally with lower fees. Wise is a great option. So in today's small tutorial, I'm really gonna show you on how to integrate Shopify with Wise in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, we're all gonna start by you opening your device. Make sure you are fully connected to the internet and go to wise.com. So we're just gonna go and look for it in the usual browser. As for now, make sure you open an account. Create an account as usual using your email address and a password. Or if you have an existing account, just log in. Then we're gonna go all the way back to Shopify admin or your Shopify store. We're gonna go through this setting menu or gear icon. Then we're gonna go and look for payments. Then you will be able to see many options. Look for your Shopify payments. Then tap manage under Shopify payments. Add your Wise bank account. Then paste for your Wise bank details into the payout or bank account section. All you're gonna do now is save and confirm. Double check the details and save your changes. Also make sure that it's available in your country. You can also ask this AI here, basically tap any question and they will answer it. If it's available, you can basically continue, then wait for verification. Shopify may take a short time to verify your Wise account. After this, it will be fully activated. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.